in this video, we are doing a mid-year planner setup of my goal planner. Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. So we'll be setting up an 18-month planner from the Happy Planner to use for tracking my social media for the Planner channel and classes for the Planner School. For the first half of 2021, I have been using this Disney planner for tracking the Planner channel and the Planner School and my social media. And I like this planner. It's adorable. I love Disney stuff. However, the layout of a color block layout is didn't work on things every week. This week obviously did not do anything or didn't track anything in here. So the color block layout is just not my favorite. I actually do a lot of work on the channel on the weekends, so I kind of like having that full, I mean, it's still the same amount of space, but I like that full space. And just the color block's just not my favorite. It's personal preference. So I'm gonna switch it up for the second half of the year. And this planner is an 18-month planner starting the second half of 2021. And it's so pretty. And so I like two things about it: the colors, three things: colors, the layout, because it's a totally neutral vertical layout. And the third thing are all the inspirational quotes in here. I need as much inspiration as I can get for being as busy as I am. So it has great inspirational quotes on the dividers, and then I think on 1 week each month on the pages. Yeah, great here. So let me show you the few things that I want to use to set up this goal planner. I have a planner. I have a Happy Notes, and this one was sent to me in Happy Mail by Lowen Adorable Plans. Thank you so much, Lowen. That was so nice. She was able to get this before, like way before it was available in any of my stores, and I didn't have it to match this planner. And thank you so much. That was awesome for you finding this for me, and it's exactly what I need to set up this planner. So I love to use Happy Notes with all of my goal plan. Actually, I use Happy Notes a lot, and I'm gonna set up a couple of, well, at least one other one I'm gonna show you in a video soon of how I use Happy Notes. And also I like to use snap-in covers. I like the deluxe covers too, but I prefer the snap-in because I write so much in my planners that I like to be able to flip it open so it's super easy to write in. So this is one of the soft, it's like a flexible snap-in cover, and this one's black. They also had this one out earlier this year, which is like a peachy pink color with like a rose gold bronzish like spine here. And there's a couple other ones, I think. Yeah, there's some new ones coming out now too. So let's take this snap cover first out of the package. And I think it's just solid black. Yeah, looks like it's solid black with black flexible plastic spine here. What I like to do with this is add metal discs. This is a set of super pretty purple metal discs. Metal discs are my favorite, hands down. They're just super sturdy and shiny, and I love shiny, sparkly, glittery, girly stuff. So this has my name written all over it. Oh no, look at this. This one has a little mistake in the stitching there. We're gonna have to trim that. How weird. The rest of it looks good. Okay, I will trim that later. So, metal discs, snap cover. I like to do that first before adding in my planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, we have the discs on the cover now. And of course there are two extra in case you're using a big Happy Planner. You have enough discs for that. Let's trim off this little string and then add our cover. All right, I think what I'm going to do, which is what I did in that last planner for the first half of the year, is I took 6 months of the planner and then a bunch of notes in the back for all my video ideas and ideas for classes and all the things I'm working on. So I think I'm gonna do that again. So this will really be like a 6-month planner. We're gonna start with July, and I already had, actually we need the cover first. We're gonna use the cover from the Happy Notes. And before we do that even, let's grab some undo and take that sticker off of this cover. If you have not tried undo, I was so scared to try this in the beginning. I'm still a little scared of it, but it works great for removing stickers when you don't want to rip your paper. and for removing these sticky price labels. To use the undo, I mean, it's so easy. You just put a little drip of it on there, let it soak in. You take this little scraper thing and then just scrape it right. You got to make the sound. Scrape it right off like that. It comes right off. And then it's also super good for cleaning that sticky goo that they use to hold like this piece on. I'll show you that too. All right, let me just take this off. And that little goo that goes right here, that cleans it off. The undo cleans it off really good. I need a paper towel though. Okay, I found a Kleenex. I think this will work also. Let me put another drip right here. Yeah, see, it just cleans it up so nice. All right, let's flip this over. There's a link in the description box to my Amazon shop, and the undo is in there, along with my other favorite planning tools. Okay, let's remove this back part, and I'm going to save this plastic, this clear plastic, to do a like bookmark / charm project I've had kind of on my list for like a year now, but I've got several of those saved for that project whenever I get around to doing it. All right, we have goo on the back also, so let's see if that, I might need some more undo for, no, did I get it off? Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm gonna use this cover in my new planner. So let's grab our new snap-in cover. We'll take this cover off the Happy Notes and add it into the snap cover. And the back part, look how pretty those flowers are. They're so pretty. So let's grab out these first 6 months. I'm going to take out this little welcome page, the first section, and I already have July pulled out because I had it in my main planner for tracking social media this month. So I know I have an extra page in here. I want to make sure it fits right. It might be a half sheet or something. All right, so let's punch in July. And this front part, ooh, we should write our name in here, or we should write the planner channel in here. I haven't been writing it because I'm still practicing my hand lettering, and it's not that good yet. It's much better since I've been practicing in the big calligraphy planner, but it's not awesome yet. It's gonna be a while. All right, so let me grab a few more months out of here. Okay, let's put aside the rest of that planner that starts in January, so I'll have that whole thing ready to go to set up a new planner in January. Now in the back, we're gonna go back to our Happy Notes, and I'm gonna take out 2 tabs from this section because one is a section where I like to keep like a running list of video ideas, and I have no shortage. I literally have like 300 video ideas and just not enough time to work on them all. So, ooh, we can pick and choose our tabs. So which 2 do we want? Follow your heart. Your happiness should be a priority. And you have so much beauty. Your happiness should be a priority. Follow your heart. I kind of like these 2. Oh, dang, I like all of them. Ooh, share it with the world. Ooh, I like that. What is on the back? That one has flowers on the back. Ooh, I wish this was the front side. Oh, I get it now. You have so much beauty, share it with the world. All right, I guess I like that. We'll put that one in the front. And then some, actually I'll grab my list to put there, but we're gonna add a few sheets of paper also, maybe a little bit more, for more video ideas, because This is why I like having this part set up in my planner, because like you never know when you're going to see something or think of something and you want to have a place to write it down already set up, and put all of your ideas in that one place, because you know, it's part of it is to have good ideas, and the second part is, do you know where they are? Are you able to use them? So make sure you make a place for good ideas. All right, I'm going to use this one too, because happiness should be a priority. All right, and then behind this section will be, I actually already have some pages started. We'll do the same thing. We'll put some extra pages in here. I have some pages with classes for the planner school. Right now there's only 2 classes in the planner school, and I have 12 more that I want to get filmed and posted in there, and possibly some other things. So let's grab those out of here and add them into these 2 sections. Okay, those are my class ideas and some extra paper. And then in here, we'll put in video ideas. These pages have all those video ideas on them. So we're gonna put those in here and some extra pages. So that way we have those all set up. Okay, here is my favorite accessory. Bookmarks are my favorite thing because they save time. They hold your place so that all you have to do is flip open your planner to your bookmark. This is one of the Rongrong ones. I love Rongrong's design so much, and it has like a purple lavender. I thought it would look good with the colors in this planner. So let's flip this open to this week in July. Here's today. I just filmed that video, so we're gonna place this right here. Pop the bookmark in, and we are all set. All right, let's flip through just a little bit. So we have our snap-in cover, our metal discs, our cover from the Happy Notes. We need to write our name here, and then there are 2 other pages I want to add to this planner that we'll have to create in another video, which is I want to do another goal sheet, well, 2 kinds of goal sheets. I want to do a vision board for this goal. So like what I want to accomplish, what's my goal for this project, this goal. I need a visual of that. And then I also need a project goal worksheet, which lists out all of the steps to get me to achieve this goal. So I want to get those 2 pages put together and do some fresh ones for the next half of the year for this goal. So on this page, I have been tracking videos that I post here, and then hopefully classes as I get those done. I post, I use this page for videos that I post, and whenever I send out emails to my list and like do polls on the community tab or anything like that, I track, oh, Instagram. I need to put my little Instagram notes in here too whenever I post to Instagram. And then in the weekly, I just write in all of the things that I do. Ooh, I decorate. Now this one I decorate after the pen, so I can't really share because it's my private goal planner, and I write all kinds of notes in there that I don't want to share. But let me see what's on this page. All right, this we can look at. Okay, I'll share it. Like, here's one day. So on this day, obviously, it's always the same things to do: film, edit, post. These are all the videos that I want to do that are on my to-do list right now. So I did that plan with me. I filmed this haul. We're working on this setup video right now. I still have the lineup to do, maybe some flip throughs, and we're gonna set up my notebook for learning tarot. I also like to write in any notes about things that I read, things that I learn, podcasts, anything like that, inspirational quotes. I put all that stuff in there, notes, and anything else that I do for this project. And then after I write all that stuff in, I go back and decorate. So like this Sunday, I pretty much took the day off. I think that's 4th of July. And so I just went in and decorated it. And then I put decorations kind of around where I need to write. This one, I specifically used a sticker to write on, but I've been having a really good time with that. So I just kind of write my notes in first and then decorate around it after. You know, there's no rules with this stuff, so do your own thing. Like, do what works for you. I still love decorating it, even if I decorate after I plan. So that's about it. That's the monthly, that's the annual overview. We're gonna do a couple of goal pages to go in there. I love having a bookmark. And then 6 months of planning. And then our two sections in the back, which relate to my goal specifically, which is videos and classes. Ideas for both of those whenever I can finally get some time to work on them. And that's that for my 6-month goal planner setup. So stay tuned for the lineup and also when we work on those 2 new goal pages for this planner. I have found that having a dedicated planner just for one big goal has been a great way to make progress towards that goal on a daily basis, and just to kind of stay more focused and more on track, having one project goal planner. Leave a comment down below and tell me, what is your big goal that you're working on that you are also tracking in your planner? I'm waiting for a few more goodies to roll out in stores to set up one last notebook that I'll be sharing with you in my mid-year planner lineup. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I do live videos, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!